Hi there. In this video, we will take you step by step through the MedAlly Diagnostix module. Let us move into the Monitoring tab under Diagnostic Assessment. This section helps you understand the clinical parameters and thresholds that guide patient monitoring. You will see the suggested monitoring guide that clearly outlines what needs to be monitored, including symptoms and related parameters, along with the required frequency. Each recommendation is labeled as acute where relevant. Each tab, based on the symptom, will display the normal range, the warning range, and the critical range. The normal range indicates values that fall within expected and healthy limits. The warning range highlights values that are beginning to move outside the expected limits and may require closer observation. The critical range signals values that are significantly abnormal and may require immediate clinical intervention. Let us move ahead and explore the next section of the MedAlly Diagnostix module in the next video.